Sit, stand, climb, or play on the camera's worksheet.
Test track fitted.
Hi everybody, welcome to the test track. My name is Bill McHale. I'm up here in the control center. In just a couple of minutes, you're going to be out there on that track. But first, let's put together your test schedule. These are the same kinds of tests that are run at GM test facilities all over the world. Let's put up the 26th 8th grade.
You got it.
Okay, we're going to start you off on an accelerated hill climb. Now, these steep grades give us a chance to evaluate the effects of heat and stress on your engine and on the transmission.
Twisted your blocks.
Let's put up the blocks, German and Belgian. Next, your vehicle is going to go over a variety of rough road surfaces. These are designed to test the integrity of the suspension and the chassis.
It's gonna get a bit bumpy.
Yeah. Next, you're going to see and feel what it's like when your brakes lock up and you lose control of the steering. Hang in there, because we're going to do it one more time, this time with the ABS or the anti-lock brakes.
Okay.
All right.
What's next?
Let's do some environmental tests. Put up 2, 5, and 7.
7?
Yeah, 7.
Okay.
After that, we're going to subject your vehicle to some extremes in temperature, as well as corrosive conditions to see how it handles nature's worst. And finally, we'll take you out for some handling runs. Let's do the corner.
Transmission load data are looking good.
Great. Let's proceed to the rough road test.
You got it.
Okay, I'm going to take you right up to the cones, hit the brakes, and see if I can steer you through.
Hold on.
Okay, we're back on track.
Let's do that other sequence.
Okay, let's try it again, this time with the anti-lock brakes.
ABS reactivated.
demonstrates some extreme test conditions. Did you remember to turn off those robots?
Clear for track course A.
All right, let's pick up the pace.
Increasing speed 10%. 20%. 30%.
Are you seeing an increase in lateral forces?
Sure am.
Personnel, clear the tracks. Barrier testing in progress.
Ready for the barrier test.
Check.
Go outside. Here we go, go.
Hang on tight. Increase speed for the loop.
Accelerating.
That was nice, Ben, wasn't it?
As long as they're heated up, let's grab a thermal image.
Will do. Cameras on. Looks like all components are well within test parameters.
All right, that completes our test schedule. Let's download the data.
On-star vehicle diagnostics complete.
Hey, thanks for being such a great test crew. Come back and ride anytime. Bye now.
Watch your step
good,
when
Ben?
exiting the vehicle and remember to
Good that day, wasn't it? Ben, look at that.
Yeah, who's in the car? Well, can I talk to the boss? Can I talk to the boss? Oh, it's fine.
Ben, we can't get in him.
Oh, it's nice in here.
Ben, let's get a normal picture of the car.
Sit on the front.